Pull up in a beamer in a drop top, yeah. Days in my day out with them. Yeah. Cool on my day out when the black hot. Yeah. Alright, yeah. Yeah, them I go get it one time. Pass me the clock and let me set it one side. Big body be my better take your damn time. Yeah, I feel rich, collect every damn kind. Yeah, yeah, them I go see me sometimes. Yeah, yeah, them I go give me some vibes. Yeah, come here, let me shift it one side. Tip a Henny, my tie, let me shift it one mountain. When me kick to the curve, flip the money, baby, flip for me first. If it's to be said, yeah, then it will be heard. Lyrics with the nouns, lyrics with the verbs. Vice with the grip, where it split every girl. Listen keenly when I spit every verse. I flip the cash, then I flick with your girl. I flip the cash, then I flick with your girl. I'm fly like a bird, fresh from the nest.
No, right here. This time it's not a public interview today. We do it today. We do some trick question. We ask some trick question. We get some good reaction. Rain the kind of fall. We don't know what the video got to run out because we just start editing it. So when you see this, we don't know our product. So, you know, we don't come back with last go again.
You don't know, no eating after buff, the girl them coaching last go. You don't know.
You don't know. So you want to subscribe, like, share, comment. You don't know to just make sure you watch and always stay tuned in because you don't know what you're getting. I try to Jamaican people them not idiot, or the school people them not idiot, but they don't know what
you see me. Remember, you know, if you don't want to get some Pokemon, watch your channel too, because we have a whole heap of store for us.
What is Pokemon?
You know, in the dictionary, a Pokemon is a wild animal. For example, you can't, you know them Eki girl. You got some Eki girl, she's a Pikachu. You see me? Trust me. I have some animal. Trust me. Just watch your video and have a nice time. You see me? You don't know last time.
Don't know.
I wanna be the very best, like no one ever was. To catch them is my real test.
I'm just joking. Okay, I'm just joking. It's for fun and jokes. Okay, don't know back out again. This time we know the public survey. We do a trick question. So we have some trick questions for people. Ready? F, okay. 7 plus 6 is 12 or 7 plus 6 are 12. Is 7 plus 6 is 12 or 7 plus 6 are 12. 7 plus 6 is what then? 13. Okay. I love when you catch that one. No man, 7 plus 6 and a 13 man. Do the maths again.
Ready now, it's 13.
Oh, yes. But why you saying that then?
Just go.
Okay then. You go with that? Okay then. Okay, we're gonna bring back the old one here. If you're running a race and you pass at the first in second place, what place are you in?
First.
Oh my God! Wow!
Your answer?
Second place.
You're sure? You're sure? Then I'll ask the question again.
Ask it 2 more times.
If you're running a race and you pass at the first in second place, what place are you in?
Second.
You're sure?
I'm sure.
You're sure?
Weird.
A second.
You're sure?
Mr. Sir just feel no man and do it.
Okay. They might get brighter that year though.
Alright.
Okay then. Let's see next one. It's enough of them going on phone because I'm going to answer cool now. Okay, I'm going to some easy maths one man. 7 plus 7 are 14 and 8 plus 7 are 15. How much is 9 plus 6?
Not 15.
So it takes a long to answer.
We have to match all the thing, brother.
Okay, so the answer all 3 questions.
One, 2 more.
You want 2 more? Cool. Okay then. You want 2 more. Cause them smart. Okay. You have 1 more. Why did the chicken cross the street? Why did the chicken cross the road?
Oh, chicken cross the road?
But yeah, that one here before.
Why did the chicken cross the road?
Give me another one.
Let's start at on an even first. Yeah. Okay. 7 plus 6 is 12 or 7 plus 6 are 12.
What is it?
7, ready again? 7 plus 6 is 12 or 7 plus 6 are 12. So 7 plus 6 is what then? Repeat that? You sure? I'm asking you a question. Are you sure? Answer the question. You sure? Check it up and make sure. Check it up. Check it up now if you're sure.
Where's that?
7 plus 6 is 12 or 7 plus 6 are 12.
Ah, wait.
7 plus 6 is 12 or 7 plus 6 are 12. Is 12 or 7 plus 6 are 12. Check it out. You want next one? Okay. But hold on, before I skip that. No, I'm not. You did correct, you know. You did correct. You did correct. Like literally at 13 and you change it. Why?
I never change it, but that's same.
So why that thing twice? If you sure you simply say at 13 I'm done. Video not gonna lie. The video not gonna lie. Cool, yeah. Let's see what else we have. Okay then. Second one then. Okay. 7 plus 7 are 14. And 8 plus 7 are 15. How much is 9 plus 6? What? 15? Okay then. Gonna ask some hard one. Ready? Let's see then. A cowboy riding on Friday. Spend one night and ride him up on Friday. How did he do it? Yeah? Repeat that? The cow named Friday.
Moo, I'm Mooey. You are my best friend.
No, wait. No, where's the outside?
The cowboy riding on Friday. Spend one night and ride him up on Friday. How did he do it?
No, you can't say cowboy to the top. So we're there now, but Friday.
Okay then. Next question. What can be broken but never end? A promise? You sure? Are you sure they can with a promise?
Yeah, we're sure.
Okay. You have 6 apples in a jar. Not jar. You have 6 apples in a plate. They take away 4. How much you have left?
4.
How do you get 4?
You have 69 and you take 4.
Sure. You check up that and what I can sure say. Me have 4. 6 apples in a jar. And me take 4. Sure. Okay, now I'm ready. Ready? Yes. Ready? I ask a 3 simple questions, okay?
Yes,
3 simple questions.
3 simple.
Okay, first one. A cowboy riding on Friday. Spend one night and ride back on Friday. How did he do it? A cowboy riding on Friday. Spend one night and ride back on Friday. How did he do it?
Him ride the horse on Friday. I don't know.
Repeat that?
Him ride the horse. I don't know. Skip that. I
No,
don't
come
know.
again. No, try again. Try again. Yep.
Him same ride.
A cowboy riding on Friday. Spend one night and ride back on Friday. How did he do it?
Riding a horse.
Yeah, by riding a horse, but how did he ride back on Friday? He riding on Friday, you know, and spend one night. I ride back on Friday. So how did he do it? If he riding on Friday and spend one night and then ride back on Friday, how him do it?
We're taking a rest. I don't know.
Okay, second one. Yeah, okay, second one now. What can be broken but never held?
Your heart.
Wrong. Try again.
Never be held.
Yeah, what can be broken but never been held? Wrong.
Pain.
Wrong.
Glass.
Wrong. What can be broken but never held?
Broke.
You can broke, you know, but it never been held.
Your heart.
Your heart I can cut your chest open and take your heart out and held it. So tell me, what can be broken? No.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, no, you give up?
Yes.
Okay, next one. This is the little answer then. Okay, okay, there's a bowl with 6 apples in it. You take away 4. How many you have left? Wait, why you have 3 left? If you have a bowl, you take away 4 out of that. Why you have 3?
Wait, you see I have 6 more.
No, you have a bowl. There is a bowl with 6 apples in it. You take away 4. How many do you have left? Yeah. Wrong.
Then I will answer. What are they? A 6 after you take away.
Take away 4. How many have left?
6 remain. 1, 2, 3, 4.
How much you have left? Wrong.
How much you have left now?
4 apples you have left. You take out 4 for yourself. You take out 4 apples out of. Okay, second one. The cowboy. You almost close party, but you give up. The ass named Friday. Him riding on the ass. The ass named Friday. Him riding on Friday. Spend one night. And riding on Friday. Okay?
Question is just so. You have to give me time.
The next one that can be broken is a promise. A promise can be broken but never held.
That's the stupidest one. It makes sense. But love can't worry, you cannot hold health, love.
Love could work, but love was never the answer. Hush. Come get some next one. Wow. Okay, we're back at it again. Now let's go there again. You ready?
You don't know.
Okay then. You ask a cheesy question. A cowboy riding on Friday, spend one night and ride back on Friday. How did he do it?
You spend one night.
And ride back on Friday. How did he do it?
Nice it.
Come now. That was wet. Try again. I'm going to chip there.
Read Excel story answer. Remember that.
Come on. Try again.
We know.
Try again. Try again. That really walk your walk through?
So what are that?
Empty waist.
You ride Friday, right now.
Cowboy riding on Friday. Spend one night and ride back on Friday. How did he do it?
And one night you said you ride back the same night.
Repeat that?
You ride back the same night, the same Friday.
No, wrong. Try again. A cowboy riding on Friday, spend one night and ride back on Friday. How did he do it?
Friday the answer idiot did that. Don't spread up.
Friday, oh Friday is the answer. Explain.
Ask how him do it.
Tell me now. Tell me how him do it then now. Okay. Tell her to eat. You already eat then.
I don't know that one then.
Okay, me I tell you that one then. Okay, second one. You have a bowl. You have a bowl with 6 apple in it. You take away 4. How much apple you have left?
Almost 2.
You sure? You want answer?
What is it?
You have a bowl. You have 6 apple in it. You take away 4. How much you have left? You have a bowl. You have 6 apple in it. You take away 4. How much you have left?
What are you take out the question?
I am asking more answer.
Nobody? Nobody?
You do CXC maths, you know.
But no, you have a bowl. You take away. You have to take away to now. You have a bowl.
You take away 6 down.
I have 4 apple in it. And you take out 4 out of it. How many have left? You have a bowl. You have 6 apple in it. You take away 4 out of it. How many have left?
What answer to?
How much? 2? Wrong. You have 4 apple. Because 4 you take away. And the other one, the ass named Friday. Okay, this is the last one now. Come, you must can get one. Ready? What can be broken but never held? Wrong. I can't take it out of your chest and step on it and crush it out.
So what are them?
Try again. What can be broken but never held?
You're the smart one.
That's good. Yes, they're not going good.
Them now, as an Eki student, I feel so embarrassed right now.
I know you keep it there staring.
Yeah, oh no.
But you got to get up by yourself so you know you're dance.
So answer now. What can be broken?
You answer.
Give up.
Come on, Ali.
Give up.
It's simple.
It's gonna be L. But it can be broke.
Yeah.
$15 minutes later.
100 million years later. Yo.
I don't remember.
Oh, God.
You still say my left no. You can't say art. Broken up. I don't know. I don't know.
You give up?
Yeah. You must still have art, never
I
mind.
promise. A promise can be broken, but never end.
No. As an Excel story,
But never end. You want one more? You want one more? You want any easy one them? Call your friend then, come make your friend come on.
Yo, Zaria.
Pokemon.
Why you want to ask me a question?
Come go answer a question. Come answer some question.
Well, Eki should go, so if I understand it.
Bumbo class.
If I understand.
What year was Queens and now an Eki? I am there. You sure? Yes. You sure? Ah. I might get a finger again. But anyway, that's actually a simple question now. Okay then. A cowboy riding on Friday, spend one night and ride back on Friday. How did he do it?
The horse's name is Friday.
The horse's name is Friday? Okay then. You sure?
Yeah.
You're positive?
Yeah.
Okay then. Cool. What can be held but never broken? What can be held but never broken?
I don't know. I have
No idea. What can be held? What can be held but never broken?
held but never broken.
Yeah, held but never been broken. What can be held? My one.
Nightfall.
My one.
Maybe.
My one. I want to say I'm asking because I realized I'm asking a question wrong. What can be broken but never held? What can be broken but never held?
Oh. Broken but never held.
Yes.
Time.
No. Try again. Try again.
Legit answer. Come.
Okay, no, I have a can for answer. You give up on that one?
Yeah.
Okay then. Okay, you have a bowl. You have 6 apples in the bowl. You take away 4. How much you have left? You sure? Check it out. Do the maths.
You say 6 apples.
You have 6 apples. You take away 4. How much you have left? Come again. Come on,
You take-
there's
six
a
apples.
no, there's a bowl with 6 apples. You take away 4.
4 apples.
You take away 4 apples. How much you have left for yourself? How much you have left for yourself?
Himself?
Yeah.
This is. And apples are mine.
Wrong.
So it's not the 6.
No, it's not.
The 4?
It's the 4.
It's the 4.
Yes, because you take away 4 apples for yourself. And you never tell the 2. So that's a question. And then the other one is promise. Promise can be broken, but never held.
That makes sense.
Yo, I'm getting some more people. Okay. You know, come help him. Guys, catch you at this, so she want to help him. Yeah. No, help him. You'll get my boy. Good. Anyways, ready? Okay. Anybody you know can't go that one for yourself? You sure? Okay. Okay, now I'll start up easily first. A cowboy riding on Friday, spend one night and ride back on Friday. Or
Repeat again.
a cowboy riding on Friday.
Riding on Friday.
Yeah, spend one night and ride back on Friday. When do it? So anybody want to come in there? Come in there, no?
Yeah, the donkey named Friday, yeah.
Okay, you guys use them.
Or the horse named Friday.
The horse named Friday. Okay then. Cool. Let's see. You have a bowl.
A board.
A bowl.
A bowl.
Yeah, I've got one. Okay, you have 6 apples in it.
6 apples?
Yeah. You take away 4. How much you have left for yourself?
I have a bowl.
Yeah.
With 6 apples in there.
Yeah.
Take away 4 what?
4 apples.
Take away 4 apples.
Yeah.
How much left back in the bowl?
Yeah.
For myself?
Yeah. No, how much you have left overall? For yourself? You have 6 apple in the bowl, you take out 4. How much you have left now? That in the bowl overall, how much you have left?
Oh. Well. 2?
You know, I help him.
Me
2
want
apple?
help him. Me
Every now and then? No.
4. Me want help him 4.
2?
4.
Why 4?
You take 4 for yourself.
Says, alright, that's how we have faces right now.
Everybody just want to answer now. Come on, no, one more left. One easy one left. Come on. You can't have one more left. One more left. One more left.
From the start, you have to finish.
One more left. One more left. Okay. And Mary, don't answer. I'm not answering to spoil it. Because
It don't spoil already.
no, that's spoiled. But you never know. I still can laugh off here when I edit it up. Okay then. You ready now? Okay. What the curtain said to the carpet?
But the curtain said to the carpet,
Yeah.
you're under me.
No. You know it's kind of close. I'm not like that. You're kind of, but try again.
I'm over you.
No.
Oh, your hand.
Give up? When the breeze blow, don't look and eat me. When the breeze blow, don't look and eat me.
That don't make sense.
The curtain is set to the carpet.
Yeah, so all the curtain have an under me.
When the curtain is up, you know,
If you're the carpet, you're up on the ground and the breeze blow.
One more?
If you want, yeah, never next one with that.
Alright, go on, shoot the next one.
Hold on, sorry, I can't see it. Let's see. Next one. Okay, the next one is. What can be L? No, what can be broken but never L?
Broken but never held.
Yeah.
What can be broken but never held?
Yeah, what can be broken but never L?
A heart.
What? Big up Lasco. What? I promise. I promise can be broken but never L.
But a heart can be broken also but never held.
Yeah, break them heart. How can be broken? Like,
Like you're supposed to break them heart.
no, you're not going to say it can't be. Remember, what can be broken but never held? You know, you can't help it broken today. Understand? You can hold a person up. Freeze. Like easily.
Tell you, don't go in and
I'm done here, man.